They have a creativity and a wish to learn that year after year they lose. So we are doing something wrong. They need to have fun.
We've just had magic. We've just been in magic for 90 minutes. We didn't talk to each other, we just did it. And we're also in here most of the time. So we were working from here. I feel really, really, really strongly that there's so many kids who are not necessarily academic. And this is like, it's what saved me way back when. So, yeah.
Paper has an incredible ability to capture the imagination. First, it captures the light source, and its features can change so quickly by bringing the paper to life, by breathing. As soon as we see the eyes, we connect with the character. We connect with the metaphor, and away we go.
I quite like the imperfection of the paper, the fact that the student makes it, it's their creation, it's their character, you know, warts and all, flaws and all. To have this really imperfect character they've made up, which they can project themselves into, there's no correct, there's no right answer. I really like that.
Quelle vie ils ont mis dans leur papier. Quel monstre ils ont inventé avec ce papier.
I love the way that it strips away all of the non-essentials. The onion is peeled down to the heart of what theatre is.
The simplicity, the creativity, and the use of the imagination was very inspiring.
History in the making. So the story goes.